Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Burning Job. I'm back with a few of our additional requirements into IT domain. So today I will discuss 3 open positions which we are hiring on the immediate basis. So watch the video till the end and let me know if these videos are matching with your requirements and helping you in your job hunt. So let's start. First position I will discuss for business development executive. In this business development executive position, we are hiring for one of our client. This is the US based company. They are having in India, they are having offices from Noida, Bangalore, Indore and Mohali. So they are mainly into web and mobile application services. So for this requirement, they are looking for someone who is into IT service domain, handling the web application and mobile application services. You will be responsible for new client acquisition and handling the existing clients as well. So it will be you need to cover the international market. So international market exposure is mandatory for this requirement. 3+ years of experience we are looking for. CTC range will be maximum 8 lakhs. Locations, they are open for multiple locations like Mohali, Noida, Indore and Bangalore. Work from office mode will be, and notice period we are looking for as soon as possible. But if you are having 60 days and notice period and negotiable or buyout option is available, you can apply for this position. So for the same client, we are having one more position. So second position will be business analyst. Here in this position, you will be responsible for requirement gathering, requirement analysis, then pre and post sales, documentation, BRD, right? So you will be responsible for overall project execution as well as you need to bring the project as well. So pre and post sales experience is mandatory. Here we are looking for 4 years of relevant experience. CTC will be maximum 10 lakhs we can go up to. Notice period will be max 30 days which we can consider. Work mode will be work from office. Location preferably from Noida and Mohali. So let's move for the third position. Third position is for data engineering lead. This position we are hiring for one of our renowned clients. This is the CMMI level 5 company. They are having, it's a global IT company. They are having 40+ offices globally. They are having 9 research centers in India. They are having multiple offices. Their headquarters is in Mumbai. Then branches is in Indore, Ahmedabad, Noida, Kolkata, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, right? So for this requirement, they are hiring for Mumbai branch. And this position is data engineering lead. So 6+ years of experience you should be having into data engineering. We are looking for 4+ years of experience into Python. You should have experience into Apache Spark or PySpark. You should have experience into SQL. Experience into advanced complex queries is mandatory. You should have experience into data structure and modeling. Apart from that, with Python, we are looking for Azure Cloud experience. Azure Cloud experience, in Azure, we are looking for multiple skills like Azure Data Pipeline, Azure Data Factory, Azure Data Synapse. So out of which, if you are having 2 or 3 skills experience, we can consider. So CTC range for this requirement is 22 to 24. If you are having other offers or you are available to join immediate, we are open to discuss bit on CTC. Notice period should be 30 days. And location, see it will be work from office. So either you can relocate to Mumbai. So if you are the outstation candidate, you should be open to relocate to Mumbai. It will be 5 days working company. And that's it. So I have shared all these 3 positions. If you are finding these positions relevant to your requirement, someone who can apply for this position, so refer be given below email ID and share your synopsis as well along with your updated resume. Synopsis will help us to get to know your profile better. And total years of experience, current CTC, expected CTC, notice period, current location, native place, reason for job change, and if you want to highlight your job experience or any other details, you can mention in the remarks section. So my team will get in touch with you for the further process. Okay. So thank you so much for today, and we will try to bring some new IT positions on next video. Thank you. Bye bye.